My name is Sinead Vaughan and I studied Baking and Pastry Arts. I was looking into other courses at the time which were more practical, but I liked the sound of this one because I always had the intention of setting up my own business, and it covered both sort of sides of the spectrum that you need to do that, both the practical and the business side of it. You build quite a good network just by coming to Call Brewer Street. You meet so many people who, can lend you a hand along the way or give you advice, both during your, stint here, and then I'm still in touch with people afterwards. The facilities here are obviously second to none. Like, the bakery was purpose built while I was doing the course, and it's just incredible the facilities you have there, the space that you have there as well. You can't really take for granted. You only realise when you go into industry how sort of spoilt we are for all the equipment, all the area that you have to work in. It's brilliant. So since I left, I set up Antoinette's Bakery, which is a 100% gluten-free bakery. And I have a team of bakers there who bake 6 days a week. So they cover a range of all gluten-free products. So we have breads, we have pastries, we have sweets, we have tea and coffee as well. So we have the whole sort of shebang going on there, which is great. I loved the course here. I'm still friends with a bunch of people who were in my class with me. So we had a great time, learned a lot as well. But it's a great environment, if you're mad about food, so is everyone else in this building. So it's a really great place to sort of nurture your inner foodie.